After identifying the issues your stakeholder group cares about, you will receive an email from Maggie requesting you and your team to draft plans for the new zoning of Lowell. Each member of your team will create a plan using iPlan. iPlan can be accessed through a link in Maggie's email titled Preference Survey. iPlan can also be accessed in the drop-down menu in the upper left-hand corner under Tools. Now that you have entered iPlan, you can create a map using the iPlan zoning simulation. Click on Create to get started. Title your map and click Save, then start customizing your zoning plan. Click on an individual parcel to change the parcel type. As you make your changes on the map, the indicator graphs on the right will display the projected effect of your changes. You can measure how much change you've made in the indicator graphs by toggling either the initial value or the previous value buttons. The initial value button places a red line on the indicator graphs that shows the initial indicator values as they currently exist in Lowell. As you make changes, the line will remain in place for your reference. You can use this feature to compare your proposed map to the current zoning plan of Lowell. Clicking the previous button places a blue line on the graph that shows the indicator values of the map before you made your last change. You can use this to see the effects of each individual change. To review the stakeholder and issue notes, use the annotation toggle buttons above the indicator graphs. iPlan autosaves after each change you make to your map. Upon returning to the main page in iPlan, your saved map will be displayed. You are free to create as many maps as you'd like by repeating this process. When submitting your notebook to Maggie, your team should designate one member to create the map set. The map set should include one plan from each team member. To make a set of multiple maps for submission, click the Create button under iPlan Map Sets. Give the set a title and choose which individual maps you would like to include in the set. Click Save and the maps will be saved as a set. The set is now available to all your teammates for submission. Once your team's set has been created, you can attach it to your notebook using the drop-down menu in the Map Attachment Notebook section. Everyone on the team should be attaching the same set. The set is now available to all your teammates for submission. Let's review some of the main steps of using iPlan. First, create a new map with a title that shows it belongs to you. Customize a new zoning plan for the City of Lowell by changing the land parcels to zoning codes that suit the stakeholders' needs. Use your team chat to choose one of your teammates to create your team's map set. Give the map set a descriptive title. Include one map from each member of the team. Attach the save set to your notebook. Everyone on the team should attach the same map set.